Friends, welcome. Happy to see all you here. As always, full analysis for BTC and also our previous plans that we took and few trades that we took based on previous analysis. Before what we can do right now, let me show you previous analysis. Let's do this one. Remind to you about this plan where I told you it was exactly this whole entire plan where I told you that price of BTC moves around POC, and only after POC breakout, when price breaks this POC, here we can take long if significant volume appears in a footprint. I've been waiting for this significant volume for a while, and sadly on BTC it didn't appear, but it appeared on another coin, and we took trade instead of BTC. We traded Dogecoin during that time. Pay attention. That's example for you. What significant volume? 14 millions appeared exactly at this beautiful place, and after that price pumped so much. And what beauty here is that I shared this trade with our community members. I show where I took trade, what was volume, where I set stop loss, and you can be part of this. Below this video there would be a link. Below this video would be a link, first link, and you can fill the form and join our community and make money together with us. What we should do the next, and where would be the next plan that we are waiting at this moment. At this moment, I think something like this possible. The price of BTC could make several traps, and in the end, I think it's going to reach this area, this significant zone. Why? Because a lot of people that build short position while price moves from this significant resistance zones, most of them will be liquidated here. That's why what is exactly our plan? If price will make our exactly plan, it is exactly here. If price of BTC will do like this one, here, they would make some bull trap, after that bear trap. At this moment, we are going to trade only if some significant trap appears. That's the most important for us, because at this moment to take a trade right now, it's not wise. Because good area were here when price moved above POG. This stop loss hunt was good area, this stop loss hunt. But right now, here, this trap was good. But right now, it is not the best entry. That's why, once more, here, if significant volume in a footprint appears, we will take local scalp short. If price reaches this area, we will take long into 25-26K area. As always, I will share with you these trades here in market analysis in our public Discord. There would be a link below description. I share these trading plans on daily basis, and I highly recommend you to join because you will be updated. What else we can do with other coins, my friends, I will share with you in the next videos. And at this moment, highly recommend you to watch this video lesson about volume plus footprint. It is the most powerful trading strategy that we use, and it will definitely help you make money. And all these trades on Dogecoin, BTC, based on this strategy. Watch for free.